help me.
So that was the first time I ever experienced a panic attack or an anxiety attack. What really happened was much worse, but I'm grateful that I had a good support system around myself. And I wish I knew what the symptoms were of anxiety and what could lead up to a panic attack. So that's what I want to do. In part, I want to share my experience, but also help you recognize what could be symptoms to a potential panic attack. What I experienced, numbness in my extremities, my fingers got really tingly, I guess you could say. I was having a lot of or heartburn, acid reflux. And a lot of this I was confusing because I was a lot more overweight. I've managed to lose some weight and I want to lose a lot more just to stay healthy, but there's a lot of things that I personally was not able to identify as anxiety, and I was confusing it for other things such as being overweight, lack of exercise, poor diet. So again, this video is just to help share my experience and also provide you with some information on what I'm doing now to help manage my anxiety. One of the things that I was doing that I was glad I got back to is being active. I love CrossFit. It's different. I know a lot of people don't like it and make fun of it, but it's helped me. It helps me maintain, it helps me stay active. So I'll just show you one of the workouts that we did or we're doing this week. It's open season, that we call it CrossFit Open. So workout 21.1 has to do with wall walks and double unders. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. That was great. So no one ever sit down and reflect. Whew. Trying to catch my breath. How do I look? Sweaty. So yeah, the workout, I got through 90 double unders and then 5 wall walks. The key to this is just do what you can. Try to keep your heart rate down and keep moving. That's advice from CrossFit Dad Bod. So this is one of the ways that I personally manage my anxiety, working out. I try to work out about 3 times a week, CrossFit, whatever that is. I like lifting heavy and all that, leg stuff, squats, deadlifts. I don't like benching, presses, anything like that. But I'm bad at cardio. I've gotten better, but that's what I concentrate on, right? Try to be consistent, and yeah, so since I started, I felt the difference. You know, physically, yes, I'm able to sustain my heart rate a lot longer. I recover a lot faster, but mentally, it's such a big difference having that type of outlet. So yeah, that's what I do when it comes to these workouts. So that's just one aspect. Let's see what I eat. Yeah, so as you can imagine, I am starving after a workout like that, even though it's 15 minutes, but surprisingly, those short workouts, especially when it's body movements, get me hungry. So as you could see, it's simple: rice, chicken, vegetables. I like to meal prep ingredients individually, like rice, vegetables, cooked chicken. That way I could put them together in whatever way I want. So yeah, and like I mentioned, this is just another way that I manage my anxiety. And I have noticed that whenever I was eating a lot of junk food, I would notice immediately after, about 30 minutes afterwards, my anxiety would just go up. So this is one of the things I do to manage my anxiety. There's other things I do, so let's go take a look at that. Well, as you can see, my motorcycle. I haven't ridden her as much as I would like, or as I used to. You know, after having kids, that kind of gets put on the back burner, and we're not gonna ride as much as we did at one point. But I want to get back into riding. You know, nothing clears your mind more than, you know, getting out in the open road and just concentrating on what's in front of you and leaving everything behind you. So I'm gonna start doing that again. Of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along in our little trips or whatnot. We have a couple things planned, so I'll be vlogging that. So yeah, just find out what helps you relax, helps you get away from things, and start doing that. Me, riding my motorcycle. Well, you know, it's pretty simple when you think about it, but that's how I personally manage my anxiety. You know, there's other things that I do, you know, limiting alcohol, caffeinated drinks. I try to get plenty of sleep. I used to sleep only about 6 hours a day. Now I try to get at least 8 hours. You know, just relax. Whenever I do start feeling anxious, something that has helped me is the Calm app. You know, they have little meditation sessions, 10-minute. There's one that I use. It's called an SOS, anxiety meditation. So it's 10 minutes, helps you kind of get grounded and avoid spiraling down that hole that so many of us have experienced. So give a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down, whatever. Feedback is feedback. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and also subscribe. I look forward to hopefully put or upload one video a week or so. I'm new to this, so we'll see how long that lasts, or if that's attainable, but I'll do my best. So yeah, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.